Eyewitness News reporter Alexandria Hoff is live in Center City, where it's tough getting around, Alex.
Well, yeah, Yuki, Jessica, we actually had to move our live location from where we were near the SEPTA headquarters on Market Street because we witnessed a large sheet of ice fall off of a tall building. We know that can be very dangerous, so we did have to move, and that is something that you should keep in mind if you are getting around on foot. When it comes to public transportation, SEPTA officials say that they have had some train cancellations and delays and will continue to throughout the evening. Right now, 34 bus routes are on detour. The biggest piece of information that came out of SEPTA's headquarters today is that tomorrow they will be running their regional rail service on an enhanced Saturday schedule.
Because of the extreme cold winds, could have overhead wire problems. We don't want people stranded in too many vehicles, or if we get into issues. So we're trying to limit the number of trains that are out on the system tomorrow. We will also, as we've had a couple different days this week, have rescue buses in position in case something happens.
SEPTA says your best bet for getting around would be those elevated lines. Now, you can get their full schedule of changes on their website, septa.org. They have all of that under a winter weather link. But again, as for people getting around on foot here in Center City, it is super, super slushy. We were almost kind of skating a little bit before into that press conference. So something you want to keep in mind of, especially when you are crossing the streets, is keep very aware of your surroundings. We have witnessed both people and vehicles slipping and sliding, so you have to keep safe out here. And again, watch for any of that falling ice, because that can be very, very dangerous. Reporting live in Center City, Alexandria Hoff, CBS 3 Eyewitness News.
All right, Alex, thank you.